Hi everybody, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another amazing and easy video, and today I'll be sharing my homemade ginger and garlic paste recipe alongside some tips on how to preserve this for a long time. So if you want to learn all about that, stay tuned and watch to the end of this video. And without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So here I have some fresh ginger and garlic. I have more garlic, less ginger. This is how I always make my paste, but you can choose to do more ginger, less garlic, or do it how I'm doing it, or even make it separately. That's making the ginger and garlic paste separately. It's still pretty much the same process for preservation, but personally I feel like ginger and garlic, they go hand in hand. They're in the same family WhatsApp group. So I don't really see the need to do that. Ignore the quantity which I'm using. I'm making quite a big batch, that's why I have a lot. But if you're making a smaller portion, just use a smaller portion of garlic and ginger. So I'm just quickly going to finish taking off the skin of all the ginger and garlic which I'll be using. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please, I beg you, subscribe, please. Like this video if you enjoyed watching it, share it to your family and friends. It might come in handy for somebody, and turn on your post notifications to be the first to get alerted whenever I post a new video. Also follow me on IG if you're not already doing that. Thank you very much. So I'm done taking off all the skin, so I'm just going to transfer this to my food processor. So my food processor is set up now, but if you don't have a food processor, you can use a blender. But when using a blender, you have to blend with some form of liquid. So here's the trick: instead of using water to blend with oil. Don't use water, vegetable oil or any cooking oil you have. And also chop your ginger and garlic into smaller sizes, especially if your blender is not high power. Don't go and put it straight the way I'm doing and go and crash your blender, or please, I beg. You can also add in salt or fresh turmeric. They serve as preservatives, but personally I don't use any of that. So I'm done chopping it. As you can see, it's not perfectly smooth. This is the consistency I want, but you can make yours smoother than this if you want. It's up to you. So onto my tips for preserving my paste. Here I have vegetable oil. This is what I've been using from time. I don't use salt or turmeric or any other preservative. Nope, this is all I use. If you don't have vegetable oil, you can use canola oil. Another tip is using a glass jar. Using a glass jar is also going to make your garlic paste last for a longer time, unlike when you use a plastic jar. So basically my two tips are: one, using a glass jar, and secondly, blending your garlic and ginger with vegetable oil instead of water. And after blending, still top up with more oil. As you can see, I already added some tablespoons of oil before I started putting in the paste, and when I'm done putting them in, I'm still going to top up with more oil. Then I'll send it to my refrigerator. This is the end result of our ginger and garlic paste. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, and turn on your post notifications so you get instantly notified whenever I upload a new video. Trust me, you want to stay glued to this channel because I upload new amazing videos every week, so do not miss out. Also follow me on IG if you're not already doing that. My handle is displayed on the screen. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.